So we are talking about land and sea breeze. Okay. So all kind of wind, whether it is a planetary wind or a land or sea breeze or a hill wind or a valley wind, all kind of winds have this tendency to move from high pressure region to low pressure region. That is the fundamental movement of air, and this moving air is called wind. So that is the basis of this understanding of movement of wind. Again, land and sea breezes are also a kind of periodic winds, meaning it changes over time. When we talked about monsoon wind, consider monsoon wind. What happens during summer season? We have a constant flow of wind coming from the southwest direction. Southwest direction. If this is our land, this is India, we have a constant stream of air during summer moving in from the sea, moisture laden wind, which brings much needed relief as in the form of precipitation, in the form of rain throughout India. So Indian subcontinent is affected by this, but this cycle, that this movement of southwest monsoon happens every year, right? It's a year-long process. You have southwest monsoon season during sometimes summer season, then you have to wait another year for it to come. Similarly, land and sea breezes also goes through a cycle, but this cycle is much shorter. It happens within a day. Okay, that could be our primary first difference. It happens within the day, that is within the 24 hours. So day, a single day, that is 24 hours, can be classified as light time, daytime and night time, right? So this cycle, land breeze and sea breeze, happens during the cycle of day and night. So now let's answer the question. So now we have established that the wind moves from high pressure region to low pressure region, and there are some winds which are periodic in nature, and monsoon is a very good example. Monsoon happens over a long period of time, over a year. It is a seasonal wind. But land breeze and sea breeze happens during the very same day, during day and during night. Okay. Now, what causes this movement? That is the question that we have to answer. Why does it move? What is the cause? The cause here is the differential heating regime of land and sea. You see, land and sea reacts differently to the incoming solar radiation. We know what is it? It is insolation, incoming solar radiation. It reacts completely differently to the incoming solar radiation, incoming temperature. What is the difference? Maybe the heat that it receives is same. The temperature, the latitude where land and sea occurs is same. That means same energy or amount of energy is received by both land and sea. But the way the land and sea interacts with this energy differs. For example, so consider this. We have land and we have sea. Right? Land heats up faster, slower. So land heats up faster than sea. What does that mean? What is the difference between temperature creates? It creates a difference in pressure. That is, you will have a situation of relative low pressure here, and you will have a situation of high pressure over the cool air lying over the surface of the sea. That means the wind has to move from high pressure region to low pressure region, right? This is a regime. So this happens, the whole system happens during day. During day, the story goes, sun is up in the horizon, it is giving out free energy, and the land and water is heated up together. But land heats up much faster than water, a body of water. So as it accumulates all this heat, the air around lying just above the land becomes much hotter, and it rises, creating a condition for low pressure region. And subsequently, there is a relative high pressure region lying over the cool air just above the water body. This means air would move from high pressure region to low pressure region. This is sea breeze. You know how we name different winds, right? From the place where it originates. Southwest wind moves in from southwest part. Westerlies move out of western region. Easterlies move from, you get the point. Similarly, we have sea breeze during the day. But I told you it is a periodic wind, meaning it will change, it will reverse. So what happens? What is the change that is going to happen? That is night. During night time, this system reverses. That means there is a movement of wind from land towards the sea. What can cause this? Same principle of, same feature of land and sea. That is, land heats up faster, but land also loses faster. And sea takes time. It will be a slow process. It loses heat much slower than land. What does it mean? It means sea is really hot compared to land. Land loses much faster and it is cool now over the land. So the air above the land is also cool. So where would the low pressure region occur? Low pressure region would be over the sea and high pressure region would be over the land. So what is the principle? There is a movement of air coming from high pressure region moving towards the low pressure area. So the wind would be moving out from land towards the sea. Right? There is a constant stream of wind moving from high pressure region to low pressure region. So let's name it. It is coming from the land. It is coming from the land. So what do we call it? We call it land breeze. This happens at night. So during day, there is a low pressure region lying over land and there is a movement of air coming in towards us. So we assume that the people are standing on the land, right? So when you're standing on the land, there seems to be a movement of air coming in from the sea, that is towards the low pressure region. But during night, high pressure prevails over land and there is a constant moving out of air towards the sea. This is the entire process of land and sea breezes. It switches between day and night.